Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to see about optical character recognition and how to program to extract text from invoices. So let me give you a brief introduction about OCR. Optical character recognition is a technology used to convert printed and handwritten text into a digital text that can be edited, manipulated on a computer. OCR technology works by scanning an image of text and then analyzing it to identify individual characters, words, and sentences. OCR technology is used in a variety of applications, including document management systems, automated data entry, and digital archiving. By converting printed or handwritten text into digital text, OCR technology enables the organization to digitize large volumes of paper document, making it easier to store, search, and access information. In addition, new technologies such as deep learning and artificial intelligence are being used to further improve the accuracy and speed of OCR systems. So let me give you a brief introduction about the PyTestRec library, which is a Python library that provides an interface to Google's TestRect OCR engine. PyTestRect makes it easy to use TestRect OCR in Python applications, and with just few lines of code, we can able to extract text from images and PDFs, making it a powerful tool for data analysis, document processing, and automated data entry. So let's get started. So this is an example of invoice. As you can see, there is address and invoice number, account name, PAN number, and the mode of payment, and also the product type, start date, end date, energy used, meter start and end reading, and the unit price and standing charge, and the total electricity charges. And you can able to extract all these information from this image using the PyTestRec library, which I'm going to show you how. And let's get started writing the script. So first we need to install the PyTestRec library. For example, pip install PyTestRec. We need to run this one and start exporting the PyTestRec library. I have PyTestRec already installed in my system. So we are also going to use the pill, like to use the image, the library for extracting the image. So select. So after importing all the necessary libraries, you need to have a select path. To copy paste this up and so after assigning the testRec path, you also need to update the PyTestRec command, which is pytestrec.pytestrec.tesseract command. We need to update this variable to the tesseract path that we have just assigned. After assigning this, you can use a pill library to open the images. For example, image.open, and our invoice is located in sample invoices, and the name of the clip file is ABC JPG, and just use this. It has to be fine. And after opening the image, you can actually extract the text using the library, and there is a function called image to string. This image, after the text, you are just these are the details that we have found just in the invoice. Yeah. So this is the invoice, and these are the details that we have in the image file. And this is the extracted text from the image. As you can see the image number, account name, and account number, and MPA number, and the payment type, and so on. And you can just use this function to extract the PyTest library image to string function to extract text in whatever format you need. And yeah, that's it. That's how you use PyTest library to extract from the images. Apart from PyTest library, there are other libraries like Invoice to Data and PDF Plumber. These are readily available library that you can use to extract the text. And also you can create template to extract very specific fields from the invoices as well. Yeah, let me know if you find this helpful in the comments. I hope you like this video. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and also if you have any comments, write it in our comment section. Stay tuned to our videos by subscribing to our channel. Thank you.